This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize your Termux terminal with a custom name and login screen. Let's make your terminal look professional and personalized. When it asks whether you want to continue, write Y and press enter.
Erase my mistakes, learn they all stay. Growing up is watching colors fade to gray. Calendars a countdown, but we waste the days. People come and go, yeah, they promise forever. Now I'm sitting here alone, getting lighter, getting better.
All the used commands will be dropped in the description of this video.
Say goodbye. How to lose the ones you love and still survive.
What's the hardest truth you've accepted so far?
From pencil to pen, no erasing again. Every scar tells a story of where I've been. Today is tomorrow's worry, yesterday's fear. So I'm learning to live in the present right here. From pencil to pen, lessons written in ink. Can't undo what is done, gotta learn how to think that nothing lasts forever, not even the pain. So I'm dancing in the storm, learning how to live in the rain. Sit with people broken, they don't need your advice, they just need your presence, they just need to survive. A mother teaches everything except how to let her go. Now I'm stuck between the person that I was and what I know. Birthdays are countdowns, parties feel like lies. Success looks empty when you're chasing the prize. You can't find the same person twice in the soul. We're always becoming strangers to who we used to know.
She's not coming back to me. I get that now.
From pencil to pen, no erasing again. Every scar tells a story of where I've been. Today is tomorrow's worry, yesterday's fear. So I'm learning to live in the present right here. From pencil to pen, lessons written in ink. Can't undo what is done, gotta learn how to think that the only guarantee is that things will change. So I'm dancing in the storm, getting comfortable with
not a threat, baby. That's just life being true.
anything beyond my control should be out of my mind. Peace isn't finding answers, it's knowing it's fine to let go of the ending, embrace the unknown. Every goodbye is a blessing disguised as a stone. From pencil to pen, this is where it begins. Trading in my pride for the truth deep within. Today is a gift that'll never come twice. So I'm done with the run and I'm living my life. From pencil to pen, written in permanent ink. Some mistakes make you wiser than you think. Yeah, time moves forward and people move on, but I'm here right now, and I'm finally strong. From pencil to pen, from pencil to pen.
There's no such thing as having it all. You just choose which half you're willing to lose. Nobody claps when you're grinding in the dark. Everyone shows up when you make your mark. That's the exchange, silence for success. Years of grinding just to feel like less. My old self couldn't handle what I handle today. That's growth, but it came with a price to pay. Can't plan the magic, it just happens when you're ready. Life's not a blueprint, it's messy and unsteady.
Some of the best moments are the ones you never saw coming.
There's no rewind button on this life we're living. Every second counts, every choice you're given. One day, a day will start without you in it. That's